Windows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to take a full page a scrolling a screenshot in Windows without any software. If you are taking multiple screenshots for long web pages, stop here. This trick will save your time. This method works in both Windows 10 and Windows 11 as long as you are using Microsoft Edge browser. To do this, first open Microsoft Edge browser and then navigate to the web page you want to capture a screen. Then press Ctrl Shift and S from the keyboard. I will put this one command, this one keyboard shortcut in this one video description. Now on the top you will see web capture tool. Here click on this one last option, capture full page. Now you will see that the page will scroll automatically and capture the entire page in one image. To save this one captured image, click on this one save button. Then click on this one open file and you can see full entire web page a screenshot has been captured. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.